In order to submit your projects from GarageBand, I ask you to submit both the project file and also to submit the output from that project file. In this case, I told you to save an AAC formatted audio file. What I need to do now is actually show you how to do that. So in the next couple of minutes, I'm actually going to show you how to finish your project, how to share or save an output file from your project, and then finally how to zip those files together in order to submit them for our class. So let me show you first of all how to save your project. And what I'm suggesting that you do is, number one, create a folder that you'll be putting your project into. So in this case, on my flash drive here, I've got a folder I called Collage Test, and I've been saving my project into this Collage Test folder. So really from the get-go, that's where I was saving to. So remember in class I was telling you to save your projects to an external flash drive. You can certainly make it your life even easier by going ahead and creating a folder on that flash drive, preferably with your project's title on it, and then you can be saving your GarageBand project, again, from the time you created it to the time you finish it, inside this one folder. Okay, so that's the first thing I wanted to make sure to recommend to you. Now let's say you're finished with your project, you've done all the work, and now what you want to do is actually export or share that project in a format that we can listen to, like MP3 or AAC. So what we'll do now is go up to Share, and we'll select the option to export song to disk. And we'll go ahead, and you'll notice that I have the compress option checked here, and that'll go ahead and make the file as small as possible, and it will give you the option to save as an AAC file. And we'll select high quality for the audio settings. You can go even higher if you want, but high quality is fine for us. And we'll hit export. And at this point, you can give your finished file a name, and I'm just going to call it finished, Collage Test Finished. I know, a very creative title. Okay, and I'm going to make sure that I'm in my flash drive Collage Test folder, and I'll hit save. And now it's going to go ahead and create what's called a mixdown of my project and save it into an AAC file. Okay, so now for all intents and purposes, we're done with this part of the assignment. So I'm going to go ahead and I'll just hit save to be sure that this is all saved in there. So now we're back at the actual folder that has both our project file and our finished output file. So what I asked you to do is zip those together to upload them. So all you have to do on a Mac is go up to where it's to the folder, okay? And then you can either right-click or hit the Control button on your keyboard and then click. And there's an option to compress Collage Test. So I'm going to compress that. And what that'll do is create a zip file of your work. And now this collagetest.zip is the file that you'll be submitting for this assignment.